Don't bring it. Don't.
I want some honey.
Sexy teacher.
Don't get it on me. Y'all look rough.
What do you want to talk about? Now. Who is your boyfriend, Lacey?
I don't have
Because you dumped him last night.
one. JJ.
Weren't you talking to CJ? Like you were talking to CJ?
I don't know. Maybe.
Does JJ know about this?
Nope, neither does CJ. And I ain't gonna know either.
What about Matthew?
Matthew is out of the picture. He's daddy love. He's got his little love on his way. Have at it.
Peppy?
In the belly.
Oh.
A little Matthew. Oh, I'm like, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, this is going on YouTube.
Oh, I hope he watches it. Oh, he don't know how to work the computer though.
Oh, condom.
But state championship.
Hold
shirt.
on, you should let me do the drum.
Oh, hold on. I'll rip it off.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Go.
My state championship shirt. Yeah.
Now, what team is that for? Like, why is there a band-aid in my face? I got her hand. See? Bobo? Bobo birthday? How old is Bobo?
That was the funniest part. That video.
You want another earthquake? This time it's tornado.
Oh, that's little Brie love. Love.
When's your birthday, Brianna? Who was your kiss? Your first kiss? But I was there. I just want you to say the name.
I ain't playing tonight.
You know who you are.
That's my boo thing.
Get your nose off.
There's the booty. There's the booty.
That's my boo boo. That's my boo boo.
There's the booty. There's the booty. Well, I'm on my... Let me get off the floor.
Come here. I'm trying to follow your me.
It's a flower. The fact she's... do it. Oh, pull it up and I'll show the world what we're gonna look like in a few years.
Oh, wrong one. You gotta get it off my phone.
Pull it up. She's pulling it up, y'all.
Oh.
Her girlfriend. But it's viral.
I mean,
We're not the only ones who have it.
let's find it. Hold on.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning.
Conversation is boring. Did you know
Can I see it?
Oh, he's in it.
Yeah, they can see it.
Ooh.
Red Robin.
Yum, 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 yum.
Red Robin.
Look at my favorite picture.
Dude, we got... Oh my god. Oh my god. No one comes really until I called made a record and put it on YouTube. Did you watch it?
Wait for me too.
Me too.
Oh, this is my other favorite.
Did you listen to it? It was...
It's okay.
It wasn't totally...
This is my favorite one. No, this is my favorite one.
Oh, sad puppy. Here's an interview.
What's the interview?
When is your birthday, Chase? That is so sad.
Hi, Dylan. When's your birthday?
February 14th.
Oh, your Valentine's Day? How old are you at your Valentine's Day?
Huh?
How old are you?
17.
17?
Yeah.
Lord. I didn't know who said this. I guess.
Since he's gonna be 18 on his birthday. Bree. Yeah, he's 17. He's gonna be 18.
He's getting old.
Hey, will you buy? We're getting him the button down for his birthday.
With what? We ain't got no money.
I know.
Nick Saban got Coach of the Year. Honors.
Honest?
Honors.
Oh no.
For all the beautiful females that did not get told this morning. Good morning, beautiful.
You got that from
Okay, now to all the hot boys that didn't get a text about how you're a jerk. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. I know.
You know who you're talking about. Because I know who I'm talking about.
I know what I'll be saying.
You know who you're talking about?
I
Lexi?
know.
I know who I'm talking about.
Oh.
I think you know who you
Ooh.
are.
Ooh.
Ooh. Toasty. Kinky. Well, frisky. This video is 6 minutes long.
About 5 more minutes now to wrap it up. About 5 more minutes.
Just stop
Me
it.
too, I'm done.
Gotta be quiet so you don't hear us video. We're gonna get Saturday school. Oh! There's the
Oh,
two.
yeah, by the way, we gotta work at that.
This weekend.
No,
You don't, son.
I'm working at 4.
She said she'll let me know because she's not sure when time's on.
I mean, I will, but
If we gotta work at 1, I'm not doing it because it's Baby's birthday.
And I want to see Boo Boo this weekend
Throwback.
during the day.
Throwback.
Throw it back. Ugh. We have the same color eyes.
Oh. We're Twinkie Dinkies.
Sorry I look bad. But it's 8 o'clock in the morning. What do you expect? Idiots. Baby. Bobo?
No. So this video is gonna be like 20 minutes long.
It's up to 7.
7 minutes long.
Uh-huh.
Oh, little baby, we're 7 minutes long.
Wait, watch it. Oh.
Oh. What
Bye.